Hi, good morning. Today was a no trade day. There just wasn't anything worth trading for me today. There were two stocks that did pop up, but they were not A quality setups for me. There was ATMV, I believe. Yeah, ATMV popped up, and that didn't have news, but I watched it go up many dollars of profit per share. But it just wasn't the right stock for me to be trading this morning. If it doesn't have breaking news, it's just not A plus setup for me. Then there was also MBRX that popped up this morning. And MBRX is one of those stocks that I'm actually really actively trying to avoid trading, which is in order to profit, you have to hop in with very little data. And by that, I mean on the 1 minute chart, it's soaring up, but the only way to get in is on that first or second green candle that's like shooting up. There isn't enough information for a retracement and then a surge past the previous high. I need to have that retracement on the 1 minute chart. And so the only way to have really profited off of that would have been to have taken less than an A quality setup. And I saw that Ross this morning was able to profit on these stocks, and he's a much more experienced trader than I am. Since I'm in the beginning of my journey, I am really only focusing on A quality setups. And after my big loss yesterday, I'm especially focusing on that. But yeah, this morning I was able to wake up at 6:30 a.m. and I actually filmed myself pre-market going through my rules before I traded. And I didn't end up taking any trades, but it was before 7 a.m. Eastern time before the market or pre-market opened. I'll go ahead and insert that footage here if you're interested. It's just me reviewing my rules again. If you're curious about my rules, I go over them and kind of more in depth of what I'm looking for from the market. I am just happy that today was neutral day, at least. I did not lose anything, and I'm feeling super confident moving forward. I know we had a big loss yesterday, but I'm really feeling my psychology is improving, and I think that that loss really is propelling me towards a better system, and I'm feeling really solid about this system. And most of that system is coming from waking up at 6:30 a.m. and reinforcing these rules and making sure that I'm integrating them into my psyche and trying to create muscle memory from them. So that was my morning today. I hope that you had a profitable trading day if you were trading. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow.
Hello, good morning. I woke up at around 6:30 this morning. You can hear that I just woke up. It's 7:01, so the market has opened and I'm not seeing anything right now. VOR is on the scans. US biotech company. We've got some rules of an acquisition, which isn't an ideal trading news for my strategy at least. I'm just going to sit here and wait patiently. I've gone over my rules. I'm going to go over them again here. Rule number 1, everything outside of trading prepares me for trading. Curb dopamine addiction, delete TikTok and Instagram, get good sleep, check in with emotions. I am feeling really good emotionally. I'm feeling very centered. I have deleted TikTok and Instagram. Yesterday was a much more peaceful day because of that. I will admit I got great sleep. And I woke up and I didn't feel groggy, so we're feeling really good. There also isn't a sink full of dishes waiting for me. There is a clean kitchen and a lovely day waiting for me. So if I make my money, I am happy to walk away into my normal day. Rule number 2, situate myself in where I am on the week. Okay, so today is Tuesday and it is a day after a huge red day. So for me, I am looking for a $50 to $100 win. I'm going to look for 3 A plus trades today. If I don't have 3, I won't take 3. If there's 1, I will take 1. If there's none, I'll take none. But I will look for those really high quality setups. And my first trade, I'm skipping ahead of my rules, but okay, we'll get there. We'll get there. Today is a Tuesday and it's a day after a big red day. So basically, I am looking for a small gain and I'm not looking to get too aggressive. We are looking to build our confidence back. Number 3, film live trading for accountability and wake up at 6:30. I did wake up at 6:30. This is not live, obviously. I actually found out that I had to request the access to go live from YouTube, and that takes 24 hours. So we'll see if I get approved in 24 hours. Rule number 4, calculate max loss and happy walk away point, which is the point I would walk away happy with if I made a certain amount of money. For me, my max loss today is $50. And if I make $100, I am walking away. Rule number 5, recenter on what matters, psychology, stats, accuracy, being the best trader that I can be. I have done this. I've really felt into how following my rules today is the most important thing, and how I just want to be the best trader I want to be. My psychology is feeling really good. I'm not feeling vengeful at all. Rule number 6, only A+ quality for the first trade, A to A+ after that, which leads me into rule number 8, which is that my first trade can be 100 shares, but that needs to be an A+ quality, 100 shares on an A+ quality trade, and I can size up to 150 only if I've made a $50 buffer. Okay, actually, I'm going to be amending this because my rule number 6 says only A+ setup for first trade, but then it says I can size up on a lesser quality trade in the next rule. So basically, I'm going to amend number 6 to say only A+ setups. Only A+ setups. And then number 8 is going to be 100 shares for my trades. And then I can size up to 150, but it has to be A+. So basically, I'm amending rule number 6. Okay, rule number 9. 3 trades maximum, make them count, make them A+. Rule number 10, listen to my intuition. If my intuition says that a stock is done, I'm walking away. I am walking away. I'm feeling really good about this morning. I think that we are going to have a very successful trading day, feeling like I'm in the right mindset. If my first trade goes south and I'm down, that's fine. I will sit here and I will look for the next A quality setup. I'm not going to let a loss or win get me too emotional. I'm going to just stay steady. I'm looking for 3 really solid trades if they are present. I will not force them though. All right, I will check in with you guys later and we'll see how the day went.